Good morning guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going to the track to test out my quarter-mile time. So as you can tell, it's really early right now, 6:30 in the morning. I got up extra early because I have to go to work today. So I thought I'd get up before work, check my car out. I'm gonna make sure that the lug nuts are all nice and tightened, check my PSI, check my fluids, make sure they're all topped off, and put everything in the car, all the camera gear I need, the helmet, and I think that's it. So let's get started. First things first, let's get our coffee going. Alright, so here's my torque wrench. I got this off Amazon. It's a Texton. I feel like it works pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and test it out again today. I do need attachments though to fit this 3/4 socket on there. So I bought these attachments off Amazon also. Pretty much those on there, this on here, it should be good to go. Now I'm gonna set this to 90 pounds. I'm just gonna round it up. The owner's manual I believe says 89 foot-pounds, so I'm just gonna put it to 90. The way you do that, if you can see all the numbers here, you're gonna twist this part right here until you hit 90, where is it? Oh, other side. Foot-pounds are on this side. I'm gonna twist this handle here until it reaches all the way at the 90 point. This is the time I wake up. So now that it's at 90, you wanna make sure the 0 is lined up here too to equal 90. Anything more would be like 92, 94, and so on. So I'm at 90 now. I'm gonna tighten this down here. Now it should be good to go. Once I get to 90 foot-pounds, it'll break loose and won't let you over tighten. So here's my lug nut key. I put like a saran wrap inside so I don't really scratch up any of the lug nuts or the wheel. So maybe don't buy these attachments. I barely twisted this thing and it literally broke off. Look at that. You know what guys? It's way too early. I didn't even need to put these smaller attachments on here. All I really needed was this one to go on the torque wrench, and this was gonna fit on here anyway. So might have broke that for nothing. So once you hear that clicking sound, it means it's already tight. Alright guys, so I just got done checking everything. Everything was still tight. I didn't need to tighten everything. I believe the owner's manual tells you to check your lug nuts every like 6 months or so. Make sure none of them loosened up. So luckily for me, all mine were still tight, even though it's only been like, I believe 2 months or so I've gotten these wheels, so hasn't been that long. But now, when you store this back, you wanna make sure you loosen the bottom up here, this part, loosen it, and you wanna bring this back to about, it tells you right here what to store it at 10 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist this back to 10 pounds. All right, so I just checked my oil level and it's good, but just in case, I'm gonna bring this in the trunk because you never know. So my power steering is good, brake and clutch is good, and my coolant is good. Gotta make sure to put this in the trunk. If you run in the 13s or faster, you need to wear a helmet. So, all right, so now all I have left is to check the tire pressure, but I'm gonna mess with that when I get there. They're all good right now. I do have an air pump in the trunk, which I can mess with the tire pressure at the track. So that's the last thing I got. Now, just gotta get all the camera gear, put it in the car, gotta go to work, full 8 hours of work, and then right after work, going straight to the track. So I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so bad news. Unfortunately, the track was closed down because it was raining and it was wet, so I was not able to go. But just a little update on the channel. The reason I haven't uploaded in a while is because I'm in my last class for my master's program. So I've been really busy right now, but in a week or two, I should be done. Right now, a lot of the workload is off my back, so I'm able to do some editing and some posting. I do have a bunch of videos that I filmed that I haven't edited that I want to post. So there should be some more videos coming out soon, so look forward to that. Well, I'll definitely try going to the track another time. I do want to do a video on the Accessport. I'll try to do a 1/4 mile or a 0 to 60 on that, show you guys how that works. That video will be coming out soon. I know this wasn't the video I was hoping it was going to be. I was really looking to go to the track, but if you enjoyed it anyways, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.